In this training, we will go over how to modify the values that will be printed on a 1099 form and how to print the 1099 forms in Vantagepoint. Vantagepoint currently only prints to the 1099 miscellaneous and 1099 NEC forms. Other forms for dividends, interest, etc. must be created outside of Vantagepoint. Please note that Vantagepoint prints to the 1099 forms, but will not print the form itself. If you need to edit a 1099 for one of your vendors, you can manually edit the 1099 by going into the Accounting Form 1099 Processing screen. Click on the Edit button next to the Generate Workfile button. Scroll through the 1099s to find the vendor you need to edit. Make the necessary changes on the screen. Any changes here will not update the values for this vendor anywhere else in Vantagepoint. Please remember, if you regenerate a new 1099 workfile, any changes made here will be lost. To print to the 1099 forms, select Print 1099 Miscellaneous or Print 1099 NEC from the Other Actions menu. It is recommended to print one 1099 to a blank piece of paper and then hold that paper up to the 1099 form to see if the values are lining up with the fields. If the values are not aligning on the fields of the 1099 form, you can click on the Other Actions menu, Print, and select Print Options. Select Use Custom Layout and modify the margins as necessary. Print to a blank piece of paper and compare that to the 1099 form until the values line up with the correct fields on the 1099. Once they do, fill your printer with 1099 forms and from the Other Actions menu, select Print 1099. Thank you for attending. For more information, please review the year-end resources within the Deltek Support Center.